What's going on, YouTube? We are back in this thing with another video, and today what I'll be working on is the rear AC evaporator box. This is it right here. As you can see, it's a door right here, and then another one goes right here, but I think that's where it go. Another one goes somewhere around here. I think it go right here. But mine is missing because it's broke. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, versus replacing this whole box, I went to the junkyard, pulled one apart, and just took everything out that I needed. So it's a ton of screws you got to take out. These are all the screws. It's a 7mm and a Phillips head, but the 7mm works for both. If you just use a 7mm, you take them out, unplug everything, and then you have to pop these clips off. Pop these clips off, and you'll be able to access the inside. Now, gotta be careful with these clips because they shoot. So I think I just lost one. Oh, here you go. But they shoot off, so you gotta be careful with the clips. And you just pop all the clips off. You'll be able to access the inside. Now, I have seen where a lot of people just bought the box and replaced the whole box, but I ain't feel like doing that. And the part that I found, the pieces that I found at the junkyard was still in good condition. So that's why I just went ahead and pulled it from the junkyard. But you got two clips on the back side. You got two clips on the back side that you got to reach and get. You got 1, 2 clips right here. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips right there. Then you got 1, 2, 3 clips right there. Then you got a clip right there. And then you have a clip and a screw under the bottom that you have to get to access it. And then you'll be able to slide it off. So what I'm about to do is go ahead and take care of that, and I'll cut you back on when I get it off. All right, so I'm back, got it off. It was a total of 16 clips, 3 on the back side. Those are the hardest ones to get to. Then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's a total of 16 clips, and I just counted, so hold on, let me figure it out. So you got 1, 2, 3, then you got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And the 3 hardest ones are the ones on the back. So those are the hardest ones to get off. And then what you got to do is you have to use your Phillips head, and we're going to take this off right here. So this right here, it's some tabs in there. once it focuses. So that little tab right there still haven't focused, but there we go. That tab right there and that tab right there. You just push on those tabs and slide them off. Let me set you down while I do it. All right, so I got it off. So just by pushing these little tabs out, and it unhooks from the groove that's in there, and then you can lift the box back up and just go ahead and open it. I missed 2 screws, so I missed these 2 screws. So, and then there's a screw in this hole right here. So screw in there, and then you can pull it apart. You can pull it apart, and these are the blend doors. I went in here previously, and this one I had got it from the junkyard previously, but this one was broke as well. Heck, I put some super glue on it, and it looked like it's holding pretty strong, but I ain't gonna use it. I keep it as a backup. So I had a replacement right here. I did inspect it. It is not broke. So I'm just gonna slap this in, put it back together, and that's it. So it goes in like that. Just slide in. These are notorious for breaking after so long. So when I bought the truck, when I bought it, it didn't have it on there. So that was the whole reason for me, replacing it, because it wasn't on there. As I was saying, when I bought it, they had took the whoever, they took it out. They didn't even replace it, and then they didn't even put the actuator back on. So I had to go find all of it. So I was at the junkyard one day and said, let me get it from here. All right. And then you just make sure they line back up in the holes. That one too. And then take your clips, your blend door clips, just snap it back on. Just put it on, push down. Same for this side. Put it on. Don't want to act right. Push it down, make sure they click in. All right, that's on. Then you can go back, flip it over, put your screws back in. So 1, 2, 3 screws. And the thing about it is, you can buy this set. You can buy this as a set. You can buy this whole box over again. But the thing is, the reality of it is, you still got to take it apart to put the new one on. So I was like, heck, if I still got to take it apart to put the new one on, it really don't make sense for me to buy the new one when the box is still good. Just go get the piece. And that's what I did. So that's why I didn't buy it. But you can buy the box. So that's it. It's back on. And then you can start, you can put all your clips on except for the 3 right there. And then the 3 right there, because it clips onto that. But you can put all the other ones on and then do those last. When you get to the back is going to be the hardest taking off and putting on. So just take your time and have patience. You got to put the clips on. Even if you buy this box brand new, you still got to put them clips on. So it's a headache either way it go. But let me get it together, and I'll cut you back on when I get it back reinstalled. All right, got all the clips on. Now you can go ahead and restyle everything. Get everything back installed. All right, I'm trying to remember why all the screws go in the process, because obviously I forgot, but I got a clue where some of them go. So everything you took off, you just put back in. I know I didn't record it when I had it off, and that's my fault, but just install everything the same way that you took it off. Make sure you have your magnet, because you will drop some screws. You'll drop screws, you'll drop the clips. So just make sure you have a magnet so you can grab those things, or extra screws on hand. You just basically go back through, put everything back like it was. And then you'll be good to go. So, just remember the order in which you took everything off, and the rest is easy. The rest is pretty much plug and play. So let me run through and finish getting everything hooked up, and then I'll cut you back on once I get it done. All right, YouTube, checking back in. Got everything put back together. Everything is working perfectly. No problems. Actuators moving like they're supposed to be moving. The doors are opening and closing like they're supposed to be opening and closing. So all in all, maybe it took me about 20-30 minutes to get it done. because I already had the pieces broke and taken out. So with everything already taken apart, the time frame to get this out and put back together, about 30 minutes tops. I just checked the actuators. All the actuators are working fine. So if you don't want to spend, I think it was like $80 to $100 for the whole box, just make a quick trip to your junkyard, take one apart, excuse me, take one apart and then throw it in and throw it into yours. It'll work perfectly. Like I said, my door, one of my blend doors was not there. So that's why I had to do that. But it's a fairly easy job. Like I said, all in all, taking it out and putting it back together and putting it back in took me about 30 minutes. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and drop a comment so we can see what we can do next. And I'm gonna keep this build going, man. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.